Hello viewers, welcome back to Trendy Output YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make pancakes by using Pillsbury pancake mix. Cooking directions are available at the back side of the pack, and the net weight of the packet is 162 grams. Let's get started. Now empty the contents of the pack and add 195 ml water. Mix well without lumps. Mixture is ready. Let's get started. Now add oil on the pan. Now pour the batter. Cook on medium flame. Flip now after bubbles break on the top. You have a great texture of pancake, like golden brown color. Now flip on the back side. The pancake is ready. Here in the pancake mix, we have a funfetti sachets also available. Okay, you can open it. All pancakes are ready, and pour honey on the top. It is optional. If you have, you can use. And add funfettis on the top. We have 3 sachets. Add all. Our Pillsbury pancakes are ready. Thanks for watching the video.